Hi friends, today we are making a viral microwave Spanish potato chip tortilla, a fast egg recipe inspired by tortilla española. It is worth making because the chips soften into the eggs like tender potatoes, with almost no stove work. This recipe makes 2 servings and takes about 15 minutes. Let's walk through the ingredients first. For large eggs are the heart of this tortilla, giving it that tender, custardy Spanish-style texture. 2 cups plain salted potato chips stand in for sliced potatoes, and they soften beautifully in the eggs while keeping the recipe fast. 1/4 cup finely diced yellow onion adds the classic sweet Spanish tortilla flavor without needing a skillet. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil helps the onion soften and gives the tortilla a gentle Spanish richness. 1/8 teaspoon fine sea salt lightly seasons the eggs, because the potato chips already bring plenty of saltiness. 1 tablespoon chopped flat leaf parsley finishes the tortilla with a fresh color and a light herbal lift. Begin the preparation by adding 1/4 cup finely diced yellow onion and 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil to the clear microwave-safe glass dish, then spread the onion into an even layer. Now microwave the onion uncovered on high for 1 minute and 30 seconds, just until it looks glossy and slightly softened. After the onion softens, carefully stir it with the oil, then tilt the dish so a thin film of olive oil coats the bottom and sides. While the onion cools for a moment, crack 4 large eggs into the white mixing bowl. Add 1/8 teaspoon fine sea salt to the eggs, then whisk until the yolks and whites are completely blended and lightly foamy. Now add 2 cups plain salted potato chips to the beaten eggs, crushing any very large chips gently with your hand as they go in. Fold the chips into the eggs until every piece is coated, then press them down so they can soak evenly. Let the egg and chip mixture rest for 5 minutes, so the chips soften and start to behave like thin potato slices. Once the chips have softened, stir the warm onion and olive oil into the bowl, making sure the onion is evenly distributed. Pour the mixture back into the same oiled glass dish, then nudge it into an even layer so the tortilla cooks at the same thickness all the way across. Cover the dish with a microwave-safe plate and microwave on medium-high power for 3 minutes, until the edges begin to set while the center still looks soft. Carefully uncover the hot dish, then use the spatula to gently pull the set edges toward the center and let the loose egg flow outward. Cover the dish again and microwave on medium-high power for 1 minute and 30 seconds more, until the center is just set with no liquid egg on top. Let the covered tortilla rest for 2 minutes, so the gentle carryover heat finishes the egg and the surface settles. To close the cooking, run the spatula around the edge, turn the tortilla out onto the matte white plate, sprinkle 1 tablespoon chopped flat leaf parsley over the top, and cut it into 6 wedges. And that is our viral microwave Spanish potato chip tortilla, soft, savory, and satisfying, with the egg and chips turning into a quick tortilla española style bite. Serve it warm in wedges, or let it cool and enjoy it like a tapas snack. If this speedy Spanish egg recipe delivered on the promise, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy recipes.